Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to add music on iMovie. Okay, when you open iMovie, you'll be working on your project here like this, and you'll be wondering where or how you could add music. So you have this tab here called audio and video. So click on that and you'll see a lot of options here, applications that uh, have music files. So the first one here is the Apple Music. So any music that you download from the web will be stored in the Apple Music application. So it'll also appear here, and you can just simply drag and drop it down here in the uh, timeline where you're working on. So once you added it, you can also, trim it. You can simply drag and, drag it to the right if you want to cut the starting portion, and then you can again bring it back to the starting of the timeline. You can also increase the volume here by, dragging it up and dragging it down, this particular line here, and you can do multiple things using the music clip. Uh, you can also add sound effects. So music application, it contains only the files that you've downloaded from the web, but sound effects are something that are inbuilt in iMovie. So you can simply play one of them and see which one would suit your project, and you can do the same thing. You can drag it and drop it in the timeline to make it more, you can make the experience better using sound effects that are available in iMovie. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.